This video we're going to be talking about this little diorama I built. This was originally for Joe's T-34 group build. The idea being is you take a T-34 tank and you build it in any scale and you do whatever you want with it, and it was just for a bit of fun. My initial plan was to take this 28mm World in Flames T-34 and build it up as if it had been Pimp My Ride sort of thing, with some racing stripes and just stereos and just all the stupid little accessories. But I couldn't really keep motivated to finish that, and I was looking for another idea when I remembered I had these two 28mm Orc buggies from Puppets of War. I'll put the names down there. And that's kind of what spurred the whole post-apocalyptic diorama. Initially they were going to be driving along together, and then these two vehicles were going to be attacking the tank. And then I saw Project Z had just come out, which is a board game themed around zombies, and this is the contents of the zombie biker pack, or the Project Z biker pack, should I say. Apart from this guy, he came with a tank, but all the people on the bikes came with the biker pack. A few other items in the back of here also came with that. So then I decided to make this whole biker gang taking on a tank. The idea being is the biker gang is just patrolling its turf, and these guys in the tank come busting through this wall and attack them. These two wreck cars are for scenery pieces from Anna City Workshop, should I say. They originally don't come like this. I've added to them to make them more post-apocalyptic, like the armour. This car is supposed to have a wall that's fallen on it, but the bricks weren't into scale with the bricks I used for this wall, so I've had to remove them and paste over them. I've also obviously added armour and a machine gun. So yeah, I'll spin it around a bit and show you some of the cool details. A lot of it's scratch built and the rest of it's just random bits from my parts box. I thought it turned out quite well. Not too sure where it ranked on the group build because it didn't really have an end to it, as again it was just done for some fun. This engine is from Fox Boxes. It's part of 3 you get for converting the Orc truck. You know, just I've got another 2. I think I'm going to use one for another car, which I'm not going to talk about just yet. Just don't want to spoil the ideas for. Yeah, I really love this snake plastic car. Zoom in on him a bit for camera roll. Obviously I'll take some pictures so you can see this in better detail. The snake pliskin type guy on the bike. It's also my first time painting little figures, which I was a bit humming and ahhing. I mean, I've painted them before in Devil's Run, which were a bit smaller, which I'll show you at a later date. But yeah, wasn't too sure about painting the figures. The rocket effect was quite simple. It was just a piece of wire attached to the back of the rocket and then to the mainframe, and then just some cotton balls, just mess up a bit to make it look like a smoke trail. So yeah, that's that. Initially I'm thinking of doing another one of these on a bit of a bigger scale. Think The Walking Dead, the tank scene for the prison. Sorry, I put it up. Initially I'm going to do another one of these. Think The Walking Dead with the governor attacking the prison with a tank. So I'm probably going to lift all these up and add these to that one, as I want to have more zombies and more survivors. I'm going to pick up a few more of the Project Z survivor packs and the zombie packs and just have pretty much a big base. I'm not entirely sure when I'm going to do that, but I do know I'm probably going to lift this lot up and add all these to that. So that'll be a future one, and I'll probably do that as a weekly update if I ever get around to doing that one. So I'm just going to do a little slideshow of some better pictures of this, and I'll see you in the next video, and hope you enjoyed.